Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna see if Madame Celadon can, if she can get the Mew to be the nature you want. So right now I already paid her 10,000 Poke Dollars and it's timid, and I'm just gonna catch like 2 or 3 Ghastlies to prove that everything I'm catching right now is going to be timid nature. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Actually, I gotta run from this Ghastly. I don't want to break my streak. There we go, okay. Ah. Come on, Ghastly. Ah, really? Oh my gosh, I'm really bad at catching Ghastly. There we go. Okay, that's one Ghastly. Yeah, see, I don't want to break the 170 chain. Oh wait, what's it doing? Yeah, the thing with Mew is you can't reset the game. I think once you get the Mew, the game will autosave. Come on, Ghastlies. There we go. There we go. Yeah, my catch streak is so high, it normally catches every time I hit it. It's 2 Ghastlies. Alright, one more. Let's catch one more Ghastly. Yeah, it's my shiny Ghastly that I caught. Oh no, I don't want to catch you. There we go. Ah. There we go. Okay, so yeah, these are the 3 Ghastlies I just caught. And you see they're timid. All of them are timid. Ooh, that's actually a really good Ghastly. Ooh! Wow, that is a really good Ghastly. Okay, that's a keeper. Alright, now I'm gonna save. And I'm gonna get the Get my Mew. Yes, it's time to get the Mew. Madam Celadon's powers are working, but let's see if it's gonna be timid. Okay. Okay, got the Mew. And let's look at the Mew. Level 1. Mode Truth. And it's hardy. Yep. Neutral nature. I guess it could be worse. I was hoping for modest or timid, but hey. Yeah. Oh man. And its speed is, oh well. It's okay. It's how it goes. Yeah, I can't reset it. This is what I get. And the question is answered. Madam Celadon does not influence Mew's nature at all, unfortunately. So your $50 Mew is whatever nature you get. So hopefully you get a timid modest. Alright, with that, thank you all for watching. Later.